So we have it. So we have it. Come on in here, y'all. Howdy, how y'all doing? It's me, DR.BOOGIE. I'm the host of that there TV show called My Main Problem. I'm a country boy, and I'm out here tonight with my homegirl, Keishana. Come on in here. She's a little shy.
Howdy.
She don't like the lives. So we're doing a howdy doody hair beauty shop today. So I'm going to show y'all how I use my product, Bionic, because she came over here. I don't think she knew what was going to happen today.
I didn't know.
But I didn't know I was going to be silking all this hair either. But I'm glad it is, because this hair is dry, brittle, and guess what, honey? If my horses didn't have no hay, I would definitely be feeding it to them. Because baby girl that went to the DR, got some braids, honey, it ruined her ass. So we're going to talk about that too. What braids could do, how to maintain it while you got it, and when you're getting it done. So watch I silk press her out. So if you ain't tuned, stay tuned, because I'm going to sit here, do her hair with the horses live. We're going to turn up just a little bit. I might play a little salsa music and see if she could dance or something. And you know, we got another little special visitor in here. If y'all give me a few shares and likes, you know, that tap, 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 tap. Because a bitch ain't out here for nothing, honey. So come on and give us some likes and some hearts and see what we can do. So we're going to get Keishana together, and we're going to get both of these cameras going. So we're going to do a double whammy. See, I'm going to teach her something. See, after she leave me today, she's going to be like, oh, I'm ready to be a star, darling.
Okay.
Yeah, see, look at that hair. Look at that hair, y'all. Y'all see that hair? Yes, and we got the Beyonce. We got the Beyonce fan going. Y'all get the tea. Yes, honey, yes, yes. Get into that, yes, yes. Beyonce in the beauty shop at the barn. Beyonce's in the barn at the beauty shop. Tell everyone, guys, Beyonce's in the barn. All right, here we go.
Okay.
All right, that was fun. Big opening. That's right, big opening. We're blocking all the horses, y'all.
Shoot.
So go ahead and have a seat. Are y'all combed out?
As much as I can do.
All right, let's get this right here so we can see what we got going. We'll give the children a little view of the babies. Y'all know y'all like, what the hell are they doing? Yes, what the hell are we doing? What the hell? Can y'all see the babies? Y'all see Deborah and Oya? Deborah, Oya, say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. Yeah, I know y'all ain't never seen no shit like that in the beauty shop. Yes, we are in the beauty shop, in the barn, honey. Because when I'm not in Hollywood, chasing behind Miss Debbie Allen or one of those other girls, I am over here on the ranch doing hair. This is what you call private service naturally. See, we're on the farm with the horses. This is called private service naturally. Let's see here. So we got that one going. We got that one going. Oh, why we got to have all of me like that? Let me pull my pants up. Yes, honey, because I'm busted from the bottom down. Yes, bitch.
From the bottom down.
From the bottom down, y'all. Keishana ain't never been on no live, so we're going to have some fun on the live with Keishana. We can't see the horses, though. That's the only
No,
thing.
you got to move me.
So how are we going to do this? Let's see.
Move the chair back.
Really? Okay, so yeah, stand up, girl, because I can't lift you in the chair, because that's a real chair.
Yeah.
And I can't be doing all that. So y'all got to see the babies, honey.
Yep.
Let's lift this back up. Oh, we're getting the beauty shop set up here, y'all. Okay, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. I'm going to go back so they can get more of our scenery. Yes, check us out. We in here. Hey, thanks for joining. What's popping? Yes, I see y'all popping on here. Any sponsors looking? Yes, I need everything, honey. Lights, camera, action, barbecue pits, and a man. Yes, child. To clean up after these horses, let's finish that conversation. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Look at all this hair, y'all. So what I am doing here today with Keishana in this here little setup right here outside in the middle of the Gulf of Hubaruba Habatipi is where we are. And we are having a good time, and I am going to show y'all all about Bionic. They wouldn't let me attach this. Bionic, y'all. Bionic hair and scalp oil. If you follow my page, which you should be, hit that like, hit that follow, and share bitch out to everybody. You should see that when I got these horses back here, their hair was real short, you know, short. So as I've been using the Bionic hair and scalp oil, which is an all-natural product, I am allowed to talk about it and sell it on other platforms now. So I'm excited, honey. I'm everywhere. So just because they wouldn't let me attach it here, you can still get it. So Bionic hair and scalp oil, all natural, no alcohol, no chemicals, no extra preservatives, no tricks. It's completely crystal clear of all natural juices, berries, jojoba, peppermint, lavender, tea tree, honey. Let me keep going. What else? Garlic, honey. But the main thing is that peppermint is to stimulate that scalp and make that hair grow. Bionic, honey. Can you see it? Bionic. And I'm gonna show you not only what I do with the Bionic with the horses, but what I'm gonna do with the Bionic bionic with Kishana because Kishana had been out of the country, honey, and she done got her hair braided with all this color in there like it wasn't gonna dry out. Yeah, she was using that bionic, but you know what? Them braids, that synthetic hair just cuts right through natural hair.
It did.
So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna silk this out. She wasn't ready for that. I wasn't either, but we're gonna press this out and I'm gonna show you how I use bionic as a heat protectant so you can see that it's not going to, let me see, we gotta get started. Your mom is horrible when it comes to production. This camera ain't even on me. Lord have mercy. What we gonna do with her? All right, there we go. Let's see, we get this right. Let's get this right, darling. Cause I ain't got no problem stopping down. Okay, here we go. All righty, cause we need that, honey.
Okay.
All right, there we go. So y'all gonna get a take two. So if you just joined, yes, that's me, Dr. Boogie, and I'm here with my good girlfriend Kishana, and we are telling y'all about bionic hair and scalp oil. And if you're wondering what the hell we doing outside, we having a party because where I'm at is hot. It's hot right now. That's why I'm sweating, baby, and I got a Beyonce fan. So what you should know is what I'm gonna show you about this bionic hair and scalp oil, which is I would say the #1 hair and scalp oil that's out there right now. Not only because all of my celebrity clients in Hollywood use it, and I use it on television and film and in my TV show, you should be feeding your hair and your scalp too with a product that's natural. Y'all keep trying to buy that cheap oil online and got all that alcohol in it and all those fillers, baby. You ain't doing nothing but breaking your hair off and it's falling out. So you better pay attention. Get it while it free shipping, free shipping. So here we go. Look at this hair, y'all. So what I'm gonna do with this hair, I am going to silk press this hair out. We all call it something different wherever in all parts of the world. So I'm gonna basically straighten her hair, but before I just go in and put that heat in her hair, I'm gonna use bionic. What am I gonna use bionic for? Because I'm gonna use it as a heat protectant, so it seals her hair, protects this color from being burnt, over processed, fried. Because the #1 thing, you guys, let me tell you so both of y'all hear it. The #1 thing a girl, when she has curly hair and she gets her hair straight, she does not like her hair to be straightened and then it won't go back curly. Right or wrong?
Right. Absolutely right.
They're terrified,
Yeah.
terrified of that. Getting their hair straightened and going to somebody and they straighten their hair, they run those flat irons through their hair and they burn their hair and it ruins their texture and then their hair will not curl up again. But you got to be careful and use a good product that gives the hair protectant. So I'm using bionic hair and scalp oil as a heat protectant as I'm going to silk out her hair. So if you're with me, you're with me. Can I get a heart and an amen on that? Tap, 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 tap. That's what I'm talking about. Pay attention, y'all. Watch how this bionic works. Watch this amazing transformation. Now you getting the transformation today right here in the barn. So if y'all ain't tuned, stay tuned while I find everything I need to make this happen. Yes, that boy got energy. That's what I get paid for, honey. Yes.
Oh.
Naturally. All right, so let's start with turning on some power. Now let's hope the power don't blow out when we turn it on. Because we are off grid right now, y'all. And here we go. And guess what? There's no power. She done stopped working. I ain't did no hair in 20 years. Yes, maybe that's the plug. See, you never give up.
It's probably the plug.
Yeah, we're gonna say it is. And it ain't. All right, so is this even on? Yeah, it has to be on. Yeah, that's on. Oh, see, look at there. Look at there. Is it on? Oh, it is on, Miller.
Oh, it's on.
I think
We'll
so.
feel it. Is it warm?
Oh, now that's a good idea. Let me see. Where are those glasses? Can you see? Is it on and no light on it? Is that what it is?
There's no light.
But is it on?
No, it's not.
It's not. Okay. Uh-oh, I need some new flat irons. Sponsors. I see something.
Something. Oh, look, look, look.
Oh, that's why.
Right.
Oh, we got a shutdown here.
Right. We need some tape.
Oh, and you know what? This is my favorite iron. See what happens when you got animals? There was some right here. Shit. Earlier today, see.
Is this some tape? Oh, there you go.
You said, no, we can't use that
No,
kind.
you gotta use the white tape.
Rule
Yeah,
number 1.
electric tape.
You cook everything. I done did it, trust me. Let me tell you what I did one time. I used some metal tape.
Metal tape.
Girl, some aluminum tape. And took some metal, and that shit sparked.
It sparked and
I
probably.
blew every damn thing out. All right, I had to. There was some on the ground. I just saw it. Because I have other flat irons, but that is my
That's your
favorite.
favorite one?
Yeah.
Well,
You remember that one?
I do.
I know, everybody was trying to steal it.
So, Boogie, what do you call this hair salon?
Boogie Barn, honey.
Well, I see that you have the horses and they have the mane. These So you got, can you use that?
Yeah, that's my shoe. Boogie's main barn.
Boogie's main barn.
Yeah,
Boogie's
I know.
main
I like to call it everything, child. I know. I gotta find this.
The tape.
Yeah. I literally had just seen it too.
You said it was down here?
Oh, this is like a color. I was like color too. A phone or a light, child. Let me see your phone. They got light on your phone. This is a great thing about a live. You can be live, huh?
Well, I'm gonna keep detangling while he's looking for that.
Yeah, that
Just having a couple of little technical difficulties, but that's okay. One flat iron won't stop no show.
That's right, honey.
So, we're gonna keep detangling this mane. He's gonna come over and put the bionic oil in and get me straight. Literally.
I had a hair bag. Yeah, baby.
If you're on here, tap like. He mentioned that I did go over to DR and get my hair braided. I did a couple of months ago. Got my hair braided. I was not planning on getting my hair braided. So I did my color before I went. And then I went out there and got my hair braided. That's a no-no. Rule number 1, don't dye your hair, especially with bleach, and then go get your hair braided because it's going to break. I don't care how strong your hair is. However, my roots grew. My hair grew with this oil. So even though I knew I was doing a little damage with the synthetic hair braids, I was very adamant about putting this oil on at least every other day on my scalp, and my hair grew. It just did, and it protected my roots and my edges, but some of my hair broke. Nothing to do with this, but because of the braids. So this is one of the best oils I've ever, and I'm not saying that because he's my friend, but that I've ever used is the DR.BOOGIE's bionic scalp and hair oil. So not only is it for your scalp, it's for the entire hair shaft. So he's gonna put this on, use it as a heat protectant before flat ironing my hair with his heat tools, and you're gonna see how silky and nice it's gonna turn out. Even though my hair looks like a big tumbleweed right now. So I should have come a little bit more prepared, but that's okay. It's okay, it's okay.